and then I go one, boom, there. And that's what I needed. You've got to do it like that. You can't take your time, right? I can't go here and then try to get it. It's not as effective because your opponent can follow you. Even if your opponent's really tight, I can go here, right? And you might have even felt that here because I'm like bridging hard. That's the power shrimp, right? And what Donner says is, a lot of times you're not going to get out of these things with, you do one power shrimp and then you usually need 2 follow-up shrimps. So you go here, and then you're definitely going to get all the space you need. And this works from a mount too. So if he's mounting me high, and he's keeping his feet down, so I can't grab here. He's so high, I can't get both of my hands. Ideally, I want to get both of my hands like this, so I can push his knee over like that. He's too high. I can't, my arms are up here. I can't get him down. I can't grab here. No, what do? I power shrimp. I go this way and then bump, or that way, mix it up. Now what did you see there? You saw several shrimps in a row. You just gotta go, go, go.